Unlock Financial Freedom, your guide to the top finance books. Tired of living paycheck to paycheck, ready to build real wealth and achieve financial independence? Then you're in the right place. We're diving into the essential reads that can transform your financial life. Financial literacy is the cornerstone of a secure and prosperous future. Understanding money management, investing, and wealth creation is no longer optional. It's a necessity. It empowers you to make informed decisions and take control of your financial destiny. There's a sea of finance books out there, making it difficult to know where to start. That's why we've curated a list of the 10 best books on finance and wealth, providing you with a roadmap to financial success. This video will give you a concise overview of each, saving you time and effort. Many of the best finance books share common themes that are crucial for building wealth. These principles, when applied consistently, can lead to significant financial improvements. Let's explore some of these recurring ideas. Budgeting is the foundation of sound financial management. It involves tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. This awareness allows you to identify areas where you can save and allocate resources more effectively. Creating a realistic budget is essential for achieving financial stability. A well-designed budget helps you prioritize your spending, avoid unnecessary debt, and save for your future goals. It's a powerful tool for taking control of your finances. Investing is crucial for long-term wealth creation. It allows your money to grow over time, outpacing inflation and generating passive income. Understanding different investment strategies is key to maximizing your returns. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing. Spreading your investments across various asset classes reduces risk and increases the potential for consistent returns. Risk management is equally important, ensuring you protect your capital while pursuing growth. Long-term investment approaches are often the most successful. Patience and discipline are essential for weathering market fluctuations and achieving your financial goals. Focus on building a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and time horizon. Let's explore the core actionable advice from each of our top 10 finance and wealth books. Each book offers unique insights and strategies that can help you achieve your financial goals. Get ready to take notes. Book 1, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income rather than liabilities. Understand the difference between assets and liabilities to build true wealth. Book 2, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. Eliminate debt using the debt snowball method and build a strong financial foundation. This book provides a step-by-step plan for getting out of debt and building wealth. Book 3, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. Embrace value investing by identifying undervalued companies with strong fundamentals. This classic guide teaches you how to analyze stocks and make informed investment decisions. Book 4, The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason. Pay yourself first by saving a portion of your income and investing it wisely. This timeless parable offers simple yet powerful principles for building wealth. Book 5, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Cultivate a positive mindset and set clear goals to achieve financial success. This book emphasizes the importance of mindset and belief in achieving your dreams. Book 6, Your Money or Your Life by Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez. Reevaluate your relationship with money and align your spending with your values. This book encourages you to live a more intentional and fulfilling life. Book 7, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. Discover the habits and characteristics of self-made millionaires. This book debunks common myths about wealth and reveals the secrets to building it. Book 8, I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Automate your finances and focus on high-impact investment strategies. This book provides a practical and actionable guide to managing your money. Book 9, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. Understand the emotional and behavioral factors that influence your financial decisions. This book explores the psychological aspects of money and how to overcome biases. While these books share common themes, they also offer different approaches to financial management. Understanding these variations can help you choose the books that best suit your needs and preferences. Let's compare and contrast. Some books are geared towards beginners, providing foundational knowledge and simple strategies. Others are designed for experienced investors seeking more advanced techniques. Consider your current level of financial literacy when choosing which books to read. Investment philosophies also vary among these books. Some advocate for value investing, while others promote growth investing. Understanding these different approaches can help you develop your own investment strategy. Debt management strategies also differ. Some books recommend aggressive debt payoff, while others suggest balanced transfers and strategic debt management. Choose the approach that aligns with your financial situation and risk tolerance. The emphasis on mindset and behavioral finance also varies. Some books focus heavily on the psychological aspects of money, while others prioritize practical strategies. Consider your own needs and preferences when choosing which books to read. Some books focus more on entrepreneurship and wealth creation through business. These books are ideal for those who want to build wealth by starting and growing their own companies. They offer valuable insights into business management and financial planning. Finally, some books focus on specific asset classes, such as real estate or stocks. If you're interested in investing in a particular asset class, look for books that provide in-depth knowledge and strategies. Reading these books is a powerful step towards financial freedom. They provide the knowledge and tools you need to take control of your finances and build wealth. But knowledge is only power when it's put into action. The overall value proposition of reading these books is clear: increased financial literacy, improved money management skills, and the potential for long-term wealth creation. By applying the principles and strategies outlined in these books, you can transform your financial life. Taking action based on the knowledge you gain is crucial. Don't just read these books, implement the strategies and make them a part of your daily life. The potential for positive financial transformation is within your reach. For beginners seeking foundational knowledge, we recommend starting with The Richest Man in Babylon and The Total Money Makeover. These books provide simple yet powerful principles for building wealth and getting out of debt. They are excellent starting points for anyone new to personal finance. For those with specific financial goals, such as retirement planning or debt reduction, we recommend The Simple Path to Wealth and The Total Money Makeover. These books offer practical and actionable strategies for achieving your financial objectives. They provide a clear roadmap to success. Ready to take control of your financial future? Start by exploring these resources. Pick one or two books that resonate with you and commit to reading them and implementing their strategies. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. Don't just watch this video, take action. Click the links in the description to purchase these books and start your financial transformation today. Subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and strategies. Leave a comment below and let us know which book you're most excited to read.